This is a pump house that moves water up to the mill pond for the Sawmill and Gristmill. We can hear the electric pumps running right now. This is the pump discharge. There actually are two different pumps, a big one and a small one, and they're filling a mill pond that runs a sawmill. So 1820 for the sawmill, and the gristmill is
1585. There on the hill?
Yes.
There's a turbine. So we run with the steel turbine. The water runs down, runs through the basement, turns the turbine, and then goes through. And we don't use near the water.
The water's turning a 21-foot diameter wheel that makes 13 horsepower. Shortening is a lubricant, and this is you buy it at a grocery store, and you have to heat it up as a liquid. And
heat it up in the liquid, and if that, you do have to put that here in the joints. So that's why there's holes here.
Oh.
So it goes in between, so there's less friction into the wood here. So it's beef fat on wood instead. With that, it will run really hard, and also less use of it. Heat, and also on the treadle.
Yeah, this mill uses wooden gears that speed up the saw. Penstock into the gristmill, where there's a turbine that makes 26 horsepower to run the mill using water power. This is a turbine that rotates, producing 26 horsepower to run the Millstone. This is the water-powered mill. Farmers bring in buckwheat to this mill, and it's picked up by a belt elevator that takes it up to the third floor. Let's walk up and see what happens. On the third floor, the grain comes up this elevator conveyor belt and into a storage bin. On the second floor, we're seeing a belt-driven smudder that's used to clean the grain before grinding. On the first floor, we're now looking at the Millstone. There are two of these inside this wood container, and they're driven by a belt which goes to the turbine down below. This is one of the Granite Millstones inside the milling machine. After milling, the grain goes into a sifting machine. Finest powder on one side, medium in the center, and the coarser product on the left.